Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I have SONY SRS-XB33 extra bass wireless Bluetooth speaker. So this is one of the best and powerful Bluetooth speaker in the market right now, with good performance and good price. If compared to others, this is one of the nice Bluetooth speaker. So what we got in the box: one SONY SRS-XB33 Bluetooth speaker, user manual, safety sheet, warranty card, these papers, and one USB Type-C cable to charge the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, wow, looks so nice, looks so beautiful. It comes in multiple colors. Wow, look, the fabric, very rugged fabric, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. Wow, nice. Okay, so let me explain to you the buttons. This is power on off button, Bluetooth pairing button. This is play pause, single press play pause. If you double press this button, it skip to the next song. If you 3 times press this button, it skip backward to the back sound, So this is volume down, volume up. This is live sound mode for 3-dimensional sound experience. This is very nice function. And this is NFC. You know NFC? You don't need to connect your phone, check from the Bluetooth. Just put your phone close to the Bluetooth speaker and it connects automatically. That's nice. Nice. 2 passive radiators for deep bass. And what's in the back? Let's see what's in the back. Nice. So this is DC out only. It means you guys can charge your phones, tablets, small gadgets. So this is also built-in power bank. Like you guys can charge your stuff. So this is Type-C charging connection to charge the Bluetooth speaker. This is light button to turn on, turn off the light. And also it says like if you press one time, it's like tells you the battery, how much battery left in the Bluetooth speaker. So this is party function, like party mode. You guys can connect over 100 plus Bluetooth speakers wirelessly. And this is stereo pair button. Like if you guys need to connect 2 Bluetooth speakers, like to your TV, one is left, one is right. So this stereo pair button function is for that. If you pair 2 Bluetooth speakers to your TV, that's nice. That's nice. Nice. Looks so beautiful, huh? Wow. Good rubbery sport. Good rubbery sport. Nice material. Silicone. Fabric. Nice. This is so nice. Looks so good. The black color looks so good. Awesome. So this is IP67, waterproof, dustproof, rustproof, and shockproof. Awesome. 24 hours of battery life in single charge. That's nice. And you guys also charge your gadgets like mobiles, tablets. That's nice. Extra bass. Nice. Extra bass with a deep and punchy sound. That's why it's called SONY SRS-XB. So the speaker light, this kind of light, multicolor light, that flash in sync with the beat and can change color. I will show you later on. So you guys also connect up to 100 wireless speakers with Bluetooth technology. Nice. Live sound mode. So this is live sound mode. Brings your party to life with a unique 3-dimensional sound experience. Hands-free calling. If you receive the call, just single press this button to receive a call. And after that, if you want to end the call, single press this button to end the call. This play pause button. That's so nice. And if you want more features, you need to download Sony Music app, available on Apple Store and Play Store. For more features, the lighting, features and other features like equalizer, these kind of things. Nice. So let's listen the song and check the performance. And one more thing, you guys can also use the speaker like horizontal or vertical. And nice. So okay, it's time to listen the music and check the performance of Sony SRS-XB33 Bluetooth speaker. So we are going to listen 2 or 3 songs to check the proper performance of this Bluetooth speaker. Let me turn on the speaker. Bluetooth pairing button.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Wow, so nice. What a crystal clear sound with deep and punchy bass. Nice. IP67 waterproof, 24 hours of battery life, connect up to 100 wireless speakers, and so many functions, so many more features. Nice. This is must have speaker. So right now the price of the speaker is $129 on Amazon in United States. So $129, you know. So nice speaker. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, please.